Yo, what's up everybody? It's Peace. Welcome to another video. So, I don't normally trade QQQ, but I did see a tip in the Discord. Flash called out a play. It didn't play out exactly as he wanted, so I think he got out at break even, but I stayed in the position. The sentiment in the Discord was bearish overall on QQQ and SPY, I believe. So we just saw a huge downward red candle looking like it was like almost 50 cents. And my position is green. I've got 12 of the puts that he called out, the 560s. They're still out of the money right now, but the Robinhood will kick out my options at 2:30. These are 0 day to expire. 2:30 my time, that is, because the trading day ends at 3 o'clock my time. Shout out to Chicago. So yeah, now we're up 22%. Unfortunately, I've been trading a lot of shares, and a cool thing about shares is you can like sell in tax lots, but for options contracts you can't sell in tax lots. So I'll just have to sell however many, take some profits here. I think I'll take some profits at the 22%, 24%. Yeah, I'll just take some profits here. Let's sell like 2 of them. 72 cents is fine. Get out of those. Oh, wow. $52 loss. Yeah, so it's first in, first out for options contracts. All right, now these are up to 81. Hopefully we break through the 560, because then it's going really down. Oh, nice. We broke through. A nice little bounce. Gonna retest it. This is gonna be great for me. Dang, these contracts are up 70%. Too bad I took a loss on my other ones. First in, first out. It's really struggling at the 560. I'm going to be a chicken and take a couple more profits here. Let's sell 2 more. And I'm greedy, so let's go for like 0.86. Oh, wow, it's already at 8.4. Or 8.8, I saw for a second there. Did I completely miss it? I doubt it. Yeah, I'll leave that like that. That's fine. Wow. A 15-cent bounce off of that 560 level. Ooh, that was painful to watch. Dropping 15 cents like that. But a quick reversal bounce right there. Yeah. This position might be cooked. 24 cents. Wow, 34 cents. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to chicken out and get out of these. That sucks. Oh, well. Hope in one hand, poop in the other. Which one will get warm? The poop one. That 5-minute candle just closed. I want to see what it does here, actually. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. I got to just take my $100 profit and run. That's a shame. Cancel this order. Didn't get to make all the money from that. Actually, it'll be closer to $150 profit if I sell here. Why are these so expensive? If it went up 30 cents. Something doesn't feel right here. I won't sell it all. I'll sell 2 here. 68's fine. Wow, it knows I'm trying to sell, so it's just dropping it really fast. Oh, that's really funny. What were the first 2 that I sold at? What were they? 74. Wow. Should have just got out of everything. Oh, they were just baiting everybody. It's still really bearish. I mean, I guess I'm not surprised. Yeah, they were just trying to get everyone to buy calls. I see. Now it's going to hit new lows. Oh, I was so silly to sell at 74. These are going to $2 a contract. Already back at almost 70 cents a contract. These prices are so inflated. That's so, like, strange. Let me see the options chain. Today, put... QQQ is different than SPY. It's so, like, weird. This seems like a normal spread. Minus 0.18% to break even on the contracts that I'm in at this current price. And I'm overall green because I think before I sold those, my cost average was 59, if I recall correctly. And I sold some at 70 something. Yeah, so I'm still treating my cost average as 59. I'm just down $52 compared to this price. But I do think we see 70 cents a contract again. Soon, actually. This 560.28 is not going to hold. This looks like a bear flag. Wait a minute. No. This looks like a bull flag forming. Although it's very hard to tell on Robinhood charts. It's so bad. It's like so bad. If it goes down and then bounces up and then creates lower highs off of the same level of resistance, it should break downwards, if I recall correctly. Okay, we hit the mid-20s for the for 560, 27, 24. There's 25. 23, nice. Can we hit the teens again? 26, 27, 28, 27. Oh yeah, this is looking really good. It just explodes to 564. That would be hilarious and very fitting. It's not even touching 30 anymore. Weird. There's 20. Can we hit the teens? We're 2 cents away from the teens. We hit 70 per contract, as I predicted. Okay, there's 30 again. 30 cents. It rejected off that 30 cents. Not very violently, though. It's still so early in the day. Not even noon my time. Come on, let me see the teens. I'll sell some at 19 cents. There's 22, 3 cents away. 18, awesome. Let's sell a couple of these. So I'll sell 2 at 70 cents. 0.7 and boop. Yay. Order is in. But yeah, I hate that I lost 52 on this because of the way it works. Probably going to lose on these once they hit 70. If they hit 70. I see that it bounced back up to the almost 30. Oh, 37. You know what? I deserve this. Wow, it rejected pretty quickly off that 37, almost 9 cents. Oh, wow, 15 cents. Back to 2019? Yo, that is crazy. Okay, the 70s filled. How much was that, actually? That was another $3 loss. So I'm down $55 on the ones I sold already. Yep, down $55. So if I sell this, I only have $200 profit on my position. Only $200. All right, nice. We're up to 80. Yeah, I just needed to sell those 2 at 70 for it to drop. Good, good. Well, I don't want to be here all day. No one's going to watch this video if they just see me blabbering on. 84, 83, 84. What's the next level? I don't know. I muted my notifications, so I can't see what's going on in the Discord. Not that people track plays after they get out of them, because he did say he exited at break even. I shouldn't get too greedy. This could just go crazy later. This feels bad. I know it can go higher, but I'm going to take profit where I can get profit. I don't have time for this. I am out of my position. All right, so $55, and then 102. What? I thought it was up 300. Did I mess up? I think I messed up somehow. How did I mess that up? Oh, only 3 filled. Okay, I was terrified. Wait, what? 5 filled? No, all of them filled. All 8 filled. This realized profit is wrong, because it's only saying 3 contracts. So I probably have to like refresh that somehow. Let me go over here. And then, all right, that option contract disappeared. So now I have to go here. What? 8 contracts at 85 cents. But 8 times the difference between 51 and 85 is 34. 34 times 8 is 200 something. All right, so Robinhood, there's a glitch in here. Ooh, I'm glad I sold. We're above 560 again. But yeah, my profits were way higher than that. That makes absolutely no sense at all. Oh, okay, there, it updated. All right, 318. So 318 minus 55 is what I got as profit. All right, well, the video is this long already. I might as well do the math. 318 minus 55 is 308 minus 45, which is 303 minus 40, which is 263. All right, so I had 263 profit, and my position was 12 contracts at 59. So 12 contracts at 59 is, let's just do 60 times 12 first. 60 times 12 is 600 plus 120. So that's 720 minus 12 is 708. So I put in 708, and the profit was 263. So 263 divided by 708. That's tough. How can I round these to make it easier? 263. Can I call that? No, that's really tough. I might have to actually grab a piece of pen or a piece of paper and a pen to calculate this. But as you can see, the puts that I were in are at 66. So I win. I beat the market. 708. That's like... All right, I'm going to make an egregious rounding here. I'm going to call the 708 only 700. And then I'm going to call this 263 260. So that would be 26 over 70, or 13 over 35. 13 over 35. Well, if I divide the numerator and the denominator by 5, that's 2.6 at the top and then 7 at the bottom. So 2.6 into 7. 3.5 is is 50%. So it's just 50% minus 1/7. And 1/7 is, as we know, 14.2857%. So let's just call that 15%. So, okay, all that math comes out to I profited 35% approximately. So 35% is not that bad. Got a quick $260 that I can use for other plays tomorrow. As I mentioned in my video yesterday, I'm off this week from work. So I do have some more time to do stuff around the house and to also trade. And the Discord has just been a blessing lately. Oh, wow. We went down more while I was blabbering off. Oh, we didn't hit 85 again, though. Yeah, dude, I'm so insane, dude. That was sick. All right, awesome. Shout out to the Discord. I will put the Discord link in the description if you guys want to join. The creator, Rax, told me that I could. So I will continue putting it in there until he tells me to stop. All right, but yeah, shout out to Flash and shout out to Rax. Thanks for everything, guys. Subscribe for more.